What is going on, everybody? Captain Namco here. So we are going to see if the mower will start today. Hasn't been started in a while. Got a problem with the self-propelled thing. Wait a minute. It might work now. Let's see. Gotta see it's locked up. So for some reason, when I engage that, this front end is locked up. Any ideas would be helpful in the comment section down below this video. It was fine when I did not engage it, so any help would be appreciated. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and a comment down below. We'll see you next time. And before I go, I always want to remind you guys that Jesus loves you. Have a wonderful day. And again, this is a self-propelled mower. Any help or any suggestions would be much appreciated.